think we're going to do brown. The problem with the little ones, I think that it won't work as well in the long run, and I'll have to buy some more of those other things, but because I probably won't have a lot of small stamps. I might make some. Oops. Here's mother. There we go. Okay, we're gonna make a brown. Brown. A brown, you say? We shall make a brown. And then we'll probably make some primary colors just because we can't. Where'd I put that brown? Just because I can. Okay. Brown, brown, brown. Brown is a beautiful color. I like brown and pink. Those are my favorite colors. Those are my favorite. Okay. It's like coffee. So, you know, you could probably take these, make some over water, and use some soap to make some tea colors. Because that's what I do with the food coloring. So I make colors of that. Now, this is more chunky. This is more chunky. Oh, there goes some more colors. More colors for us all. Look at that. Yes. I always say, if you don't like to get your hands dirty, buy yourself some gloves, because you're probably going to get your hands dirty. Though I am a bit of a messy. Now, see, this one's really chunky. I can see there are pieces in the bottom there. So I'm going to mix it over here, so I can get it all over the front of my shirt. This one's going to be like I have a pair of pants that are I do crafts in. They are pretty colorful, I'll have you know. I'm curious though, why the hand sanitizer? Is that to keep them from getting yucky? I use vinegar with the food coloring, and that tends to help a lot. I mean, I'm going to probably buy some tri-color pads, because I can't figure out how I would make tri-color pads. I mean, I suppose you could make them. It shouldn't be that hard, but I don't know how you do it. My brain doesn't go that way. I could think about it for a while and probably come up with something, I would hope. But I don't know. Okay, so seems pretty mixed. Mixed. All right, let's put this one in there. In there, in there, in there. Let's put that in there. I'll have crafting videos forever, I realized, because there's lots of stuff I could do. Forever. Forever. And ever. Okay. So we're going to pull this out. Okay, so for me, this thin mattress cover, which is what this is, thin mattress cover and the dish rag seem to work the best for the things. Though it looks like I didn't get everything. All right, here we go. Stamp testing. Oh yeah, it's very wet. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, see, this is where the problem will be. This can't fit in there. So I'd have to bring it to it. And that doesn't seem like it would work well. That would be this way. Right, wouldn't work well. I don't think so. I don't know. I got these stencils, but they're paper, and I'm not sure how well that's going to work in the long run. We can try it. Oh, there you go. Wonderful bee. A wonderful bee. Awesome. Bee works too. Why wouldn't it work, you say? Well, because sometimes they pull up or stuff like that. So, okay, so there's that. And then here's the stencil I was talking about. So, I'm not sure how this is going to work with these, but we're going to try it anyway. Why? Because I want to. Why not? Oop, I got styrofoam in my sponge. Maybe you weren't supposed to use it with this kind of stuff. Let's see. Oh, wait, it's not done. It's not done. It's not done. You need to get it more done. Okay. Voila! It's a giraffe. I need to clean this off now. They weren't that expensive, though. But they're very cool stencils. Alrighty. I was going to try to make them into stamps. I don't know if I will, but I was trying. So that's kind of cool. Let's flip this over this side. So brown works well. Let's make a textural one, right? We'll do it this way first. There was a lot of liquid still in there, I noticed. Cool. Cool. Oh, how'd that turn out? It turned out kind of nice. These are the ones where you would double them up. See, just keep adding to them. After a while. Very wet. That one's really wet, but has a really neat texture to it. So I wonder I could do... Okay, wait. Let's do this real quick. This is what I would do. But I'm weird. Okay. Then I would put this back on there. Okay, and then I'd put that one. This one. Okay, so that's all done. See, then I would take this, put that there. This won't work. Voila! And then you already have your critter on there. Kind of cool. I was gonna do, I did this other thing to that critter, but I don't know where it went, so I can't do it. Another thing we gotta do. Okay, that one's done. Let's move that on. Let's put this one on this way. So we could do that. What you doing, boo boy?
Why does that guy in Spider-Man think Spider-Man's evil?
I don't know. Why does he?
The guy with the white clothes and the beard, he does think Spider-Man's evil.
He thinks Spider-Man's evil?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because he always thinks he's looking for the quote.
So there you go.
Because he's keep getting
So I'm gonna make stamps with those.
If they're stronger than him.
They does.
They get away. Like the
They
boss.
do. Oh my. Oh my, you say? Okay, so I made this other thing real quick. This isn't make your page. This is master crafting. Madness crafting. I don't know why I keep saying master. Yeah? Okay. Shh. Nope, didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Too bad, too bad. Did make an O. Is it just that those aren't big enough, maybe? Is that what that is? Maybe. Maybe, yeah. They must not be big enough. Oh, that's too bad, because that looked like a really interesting face. Alright, makes a good O, though. Awesome. Alright, so this... I'm going to make a few more. You won't see me make them. I'm just going to show them to you. Let's do a thing. That one's leaking too, so I'm gonna have to be careful, the leaky ones. So I think I'm gonna put them over here. They will stack well though, so that's good. I get big back that. Okay, so that and that. Uh-oh, see, look, it leaked. I'm gonna have to use that.